Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I was just so busy with my 11th exams and my class 12 started, so I just haven't been able to post as much. But I'm back now. And to get this fun roller coaster started again, I have a very interesting video for you guys. So let's go. Ever since childhood, I have had an obsession with long hair. Everyone else around them had them, and I just did not. My hair just refused to grow, how much ever I tried. Last year, when the world came to a standstill with the pandemic, and all of us were forced into the boundaries of our house, I decided to use this time positively. Of course, growing my hair. My mom was always there to suggest natural remedies for the healthy growth of hair. And our efforts finally paid off. Now I have waist-length hair. My grandmother succumbed to cancer about 10 years ago. I was just a child in first standard then, but I still saw her suffering, and I vowed that one day I had to do something for people like her. This year, on her death anniversary, I decided to put my words into action. So this video is about my small effort to bring a smile to all of their faces. Hi guys, I'm back. So I donated my hair to this organization called Cope with Cancer. It basically accepts donations, financial donations as well as hair donations. I donated my hair to this organization, and the process was pretty simple. Basically, the prerequisite length of hair is 12 inches. So my hair was that long. I measured out my hair with a ruler, the 30 centimeter ruler, and I kept like a half an inch extra. So I measured out 12.5 inches of my hair, and I divided my hair into two ponytails. Each ponytail was 12.5 inches, and I tied them with rubber bands. So there was a rubber band at the tip of the ponytail, below, and at the top of the ponytail. And then we cut the hair just above the rubber band, and the hair should not be swept off from the floor. It should not fall on the floor basically, otherwise it's completely useless if you want to donate it for wigs. And then the two ponytails I put into two separate Ziploc bags. I wrote my details on the bags, and then I basically mailed it. I sent it off, I couriered it to the organization. Their address is in Mumbai. I'll link the website down in the description so you can also check it out. And after that, they sent me an update as soon as they had received the parcel. A couple of days later, I received my e-certificate that certified that I had donated hair for cancer patients. It is not a big donation. It's just something that will bring confidence to cancer patients if they feel depressed or if they feel sad after losing their hair, and it will just be an initiative to bring a smile onto their faces. So I did that, and here is my look. I encourage you to do the same. If you have any opportunity like this to donate, not just financially, in any other way to cancer patients, I encourage you to do so. All the best. Bye. Thanks for watching.